Now, you do, if you can, have the opportunity, you do want to make sure that you're addressing the person as they are. So if you walk into a shop, it's not just bonjour, but if you see there's a man who's running the store, you would say bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Yes. Now, this is a strange one because if I were to pronounce it the way that it's written, I would say monsieur, monsieur. Nobody pronounces it that way. It's very antiquated. So we just say now monsieur. Monsieur. Good. If it's a woman you assume to be married, she's Mrs. or ma'am, then you would say madame. Madame. And then if you think that she is a younger woman and perhaps not married, you might say miss or mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. But I put a little asterisk here to remind me that about 5 years ago on all legal documentation, there exists no more mademoiselle. So power to the women. The notion is that why do women have to distinguish their marital status and men do not? You assume that all men are Mr. or Sir, and so why make this distinction? And so the French just said, well, there isn't one. We're all madame. And if you think about this too, madame. Ma means my, dame means lady. So my lady, it's a very elegant and very gracious way of addressing a woman. So we stick with that. How are you? Comment allez-vous? Now, I told you the French like to take liberties with kind of blending things along. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make what's called a liaison. We're going to link these two together. So this T kind of falls hard on that A, and then we're just going to continue on with the vous. So, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Excellent. Fine, thanks. And you? Bien, merci. Et vous? Bien, merci. Et vous? Wonderful. How's it going? So this is a little bit, again, more familiar. The person that you said salut to, you could say this one, or he can say to you, ça va? Ça va. Ça va? Ça va. And that just means, how's it going? Or it's going? And your answer then, of course, is just ça va. It's going, but you can qualify that. Ça va très bien. Ça va très bien. Or ça va très mal. Ça va très mal. Now, nobody wants to know your honest truth about that. So go ahead and just stick with ça va or ça va bien, ça va très bien.